Hello students, in previous lecture we already talked about number system and let's start with example 2. Okay, example 2, in your textbook find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, so here our formula is what? R plus S is equal to 2. It means if I draw the number line, this one is 1. If I represent the number on number line, so here is 1 and here is 2. If I find to between both the number, so 1 and 2, see 1 plus 2 divided by 2 as per our formula. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 2 means it is nothing but, can we say, 1.5. 3 by 2 and 1.5 both are similar. 3 by 2 is a what? It's a fraction number. And 1.5 is a what? It is a decimal number. Both are same. So here 3 by 2. Yeah, 1.5. Okay, so can we say 1.5 is between 1 and 2? Then if I want to find here between these both number, so 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. Okay, so 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2, it's a what? Here we know that here denominator is not same and addition sign between both the number, so we take an LCM. So if I multiply by 2, so 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 3 divided by 2 upon 2 means 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5 divided by 2 upon 2 is nothing but 5 divided by 4. Can we say? So 5 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4, it means this number is between both this number, like 1 and 3 by 2. 5 by 4 is between both the number. Okay, so here mention 5 by 4. Okay, and if I want to represent in decimal, so 5 by 4 is nothing but, can we say, 1.25. Okay, so if I want to here find like both these two number, between both these two number, so here 3 by 2 and 2. Okay, so 5 by 4 and 3 by 2. Suppose if I want to find here 5 by 4 and 3 by 2, so 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 is what? So it's a nothing but, here both denominator are not same. Okay, and plus sign between them, so we take LCM. Here 4 and 2, so our LCM is what? Our LCM is what? Our LCM is 4. And if I represent in our formula, as per our formula is what? R plus S divided by 2. So here LCM is 4. So 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is 4. Like this one. Here LCM is 2. And here LCM is 4. Means if I multiply, if I want to 4 here, so multiply by 2. So same number multiply in numerator and also denominator. So 2 3s are 6. 6 upon 4 divided by 2. So 5 plus 6 is what? 11 upon 4 divided by 2. It means nothing but 11 upon 4 2s are 8. So can we say this one is 11 upon 8? Same way. So 11 upon 8 is what? So it's a number between both these number, 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So between both these number, can we say 11 upon 8. Okay, this one, because we take here these two number, so between them, so 11 by 8. Okay, and if 3 by 2 plus 2, okay, 3 by 2 and plus 2, between both these number, first we take here 1 and 3 by 2, between this number 5 by 4, and here 5 by 4 and 3 by 2, between this number. Same way, if I go to right side, 3 by 2 and 2, 3 by 2 plus 2. Okay, so see here, what is LCM? So LCM is 2. So like this, here also LCM is 2. So here not need to multiplication, but here 2. 2 raised 2 upon 1. So if I want to here 2, both denominator are same, to make both denominator same, so multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 upon 2 divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 upon 2 divided by 2 means what? 7 upon 4. Okay, so 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 is what? 7 upon 4 is between both these two number, 3 by 2 and 2. Between both these number, 7 by 4. Okay, and same 3 by 2 and 7 by 4, both these two number. Here what we do? 3 by 2 and 2, between both the number we get 7 by 4. But if I want to take 3 by 2 and 7 by 4, okay, so 3 by 2 and 7 by 4, see here also both denominator are not same and plus sign between both the number, so we take LCM. So our LCM is what? Our LCM is 4, like this one. So if I want to 4 here, so multiply by 2, and same number multiply in both numerator and also denominator. So here we want to 4, so 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So 6 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4 divided by 2 means 6 plus 7, 13, and 13 divided by 4 upon 2. So what we get? 13 upon 8. So 13 upon 8, the number which we get, this number is between both these number, 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. So 13 upon 8. Done? So like this, actually the given example in your textbook, but the clarification 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 7 by 4 and 13 by 8. So explanation is not given in your textbook, only just answer is given, 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 7 upon 4 and 13 by 8. But if you question, some arising question in your mind, from how this answer came, so here whole the explanation is given. So from where 5 by 4, 11 upon 8 and 7 upon 4 and 13 upon 8 is come. So I think this one is very easy and understood. Okay, so next question. Okay, so first we take here example, and example is which type of? Find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. It means both number are integer. Okay, 1 and 2. In your exercise 1.1, okay, so question number 3, exercise 1.1, question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is what? Question number 3, find 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. Okay, question is this one, 3/5 and 4/5. See here, what we have to find? 5 rational number. So 5, here we want to 5 rational number we have to find. So 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It means if I want to multiply in 6, multiply both in numerator and also denominator. So 3/5 into 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 upon 30. Okay, and also 4/5. So 4/5 also multiply by 6 in both numerator and also denominator. So 6 4s are 24 upon 30. So between both the number 18 divided by 30 and 24 divided by 30, so both two number, what came here? 90 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. And in our question, what is asking in our question? Just asking in our question is 5 rational number between 3/5 and 4/5. So you see here 5 rational numbers, this, okay, this one, all 5 numbers between both these two numbers. So very easy, this method you use. And if you like my video, so please click on like button and also share in your friends and family, and subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. Thank you video.